In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then select Dual Apps. Hit Create at the bottom and use gray switchers next to your apps in order to clone them. After tapping on any gray switcher, select Turn On in the pop-up to confirm your choice and wait. If you want to clone one of the recommended apps, tap on the chosen one, click on the switcher here, wait, and then adjust all of those options however you wish to. So now when I go back and check my apps, I can see that they were successfully cloned. To delete any of those clones, you can go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Switchers. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!